how to use your third eye to see visions properly. If you know the location of the third eye, you'll be able to prophesy accurately, like Prophet Angel, Prophet Lobe Elias. But what is worrying you is that you don't know if your third eye is open and you don't even know the location of the third eye. How do you know your third eye is open? Imagine, once you imagine and you can see something, the third eye is open. So I'm going to give you a system and technique that you can use now to open your third eye. Now on this video. Go into a room. I know you are still sitting down. I know you are thinking your heart now to practice this after you've watched the video. I caught you, but it's fine. Do exactly what you want to do. Enter into your room. Once you enter into your room, meditate on your bed. Close your eyes or open your eyes, depending on what you want to do. Then visualize the full moon. Don't peep through the window. Just visualize the full moon. Right. Once you can see it in your mind, your third eye is opened. At that moment, it's opened. It is opened. That's how simple it is to open your third eye. Exactly. So it's simple. Now that your third eye is open, you can visualize. You've known how to see celestial bodies. But for you to be able to prophesy to somebody, you need to also know how to see physical bodies. So what you need to do, you imagine, you visualize, close your eyes, visualize your brother. Once you can see his face, your third eye has opened, because it's your third eye that you used to see your brother. If you see your sister, your third eye is opened. Boom, just like that. Mind blowing, right? So now, if you want to prophesy to people, what do you need? You just need to capture the field of the person, the vision. You have to capture the field of the person. How can you capture the field of somebody? Now, this is a phone, right? This is a Nokia phone. Yeah. If I want to capture the field, I want to prophesy about this Nokia phone. I won't just look at the Nokia phone and be like, let me get information from the Nokia phone. No, that's not what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is I will send light for my visualization to the Nokia phone. And in my mind, I will imagine that this phone starts glowing with light, glowing brightly. Then once I remove the energy, the phone becomes dark again. But what I'm going to do is that I will send that light, then I will suck the energy into my third eye. The light, I've seen the phone. I've seen the phone. I've seen the Chinese man making the phone. I've seen when the people that took it in the market that were selling it. But now I'm going to explain exactly how it works. That's one way of prophesying. You capture the feed. The second way of doing it is that you look at this phone. Once you look at this phone, you look away. You try to remember the phone. You look at the phone again. You try to remember the phone. You look at the phone again. You look away. You try to remember. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to remember what is written. I can see Nokia on it. I can see how the phone is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can see it. I can see. I've captured the field of the phone 100%. I'm seeing it without looking at it. So if I want to prophesy to this phone, I'll be looking at that vision in my mind. Then I'll reverse the vision and I'll fast forward the vision. The future of this phone is that I'm going to give it to somebody, because I fast forward the vision to the future. I saw myself giving it to somebody that needs it. That's the future. And the past of this phone is that they took it, they brought it from abroad, they took it to the market. The person that is selling it is like a market person. Nothing really special about that. But I can get more information about who made it, where they made it, the company. I've seen the company right now. This is the second method of doing it. So if you want to do that with human beings too, you look at the human being, look away, look at the human being, look away, look at the human being, you capture their face. Then you forward the vision to the future. Or you reverse the vision to the past. Then you start seeing things about the person. This is how to use your third eye properly. The problem most people have is number 1, prophetic interpretation, and number 2, prophetic navigation. Prophetic interpretation is when you interpret your vision. If you see somebody, how do you know that you're in the future, past, or present? If the person looks the same, you're in the present. If the person looks older, you're in the future. If the person looks younger, you're in the past. This phone, I see me giving this phone to somebody and I looked bigger, so I know that it's the future. In the past, I saw this phone with somebody that I've never met before, so I know that it's the past. It's prophetic interpretation. You just use your common sense to interpret your vision. God is not going to tell you this is the past, no, or this is the future. No, you just interpret. And if you land in the past, you fast forward the vision. Let's go back to prophetic navigation. In prophetic navigation, you can pause, fast forward, reverse, jump up, go down, fly, enter the ground, enter into the walls, and all kinds of things. You can screenshot the vision, you can pause the vision, you can play the vision. Okay, you can do anything. You can open 11 tabs in the vision. So please understand. So once you look at the person, look at the person, you're just trying to capture the person. I don't use that technique again, but that's what I used back then. So once you capture the face of the person, everything about the person, you just project it to the future. I want to see when the person is rich in the future. And you see the person working in the farm. So you know that the person is never going to be rich. That's simple. For the future, you project your consciousness, your vision to the future. For the past, you are looking behind. For the present, you are just seeing. How do you allow these images to come? These images will come if you are good with objects. Start with objects. Start visualizing objects. If you can see the past of objects, it will be easy to see the past of human beings. See the past of your phone that you bought and see the future of your phone. Look at the day, see the day you bought the phone in your mind. Look at the phone. See, look at the phone, look at the phone. Expand the vision. That's what I call it. You expand the vision. Once you see the phone in the vision and you expand it, you'll not be seeing the people around the phone talking. Or you can see the phone in a box and you come out of the box and you see, oh, this phone has not been sold. You can see all the people that touch the phone, like psychometry. If you can do this for objects, you will do it for human beings. Relax your mind. The information will come. You are not creating any image in your mind. You are just allowing the images to flow. Like I tell you one thing, if you see the past, you will see the future. That's just it. And you don't even need to see the past to see the future. That's just one thing. You can learn how to see the future alone, which is most important. So if you want to join my prophetic school, click the link below and I'll help you. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment below, share this video, like. The price of my prophetic school is $10,000 for 12 months, one-on-one session. For the group program, it's just $1,000. And if you need a payment plan, let me know. But that's the price. That's how much it costs. So make sure you watch all my videos. And don't come to my DM to say rubbish. I'll block you. Just know. I just want to let you know before you come. That's just me for you. So watch all my videos. I've made a lot of free videos here. If you're angry that I'm charging money, then watch my YouTube videos. You don't even thank me. People don't thank me that I make free videos on YouTube. Come to my DM and say, why am I charging money? Shut up. So for the good people, I will see you in the next video. Remain blessed.